In today's video I'll show you how to share a Descript video with a link. We will start on the Descript home screen, where you can see all your recent projects. I'll take a moment here to select the exact file I want to work with. I will click on this file, and Descript will immediately begin opening the project for us. Once the project loads completely, you can see the text and the video interface right on the screen. Let's head over to the upper right corner and locate the Export button. I'll click on that to open the Export Options panel. You'll see a few tabs here, but we want to make sure we're on the Video tab. Below that, under the Destination settings, it is currently set to Descript Web Link. If you click on it, you can see all the various destination formats available, but for our goal today, we will stick with the Descript Web Link option. Next, let's look at the resolution. If you click this, you can see options for higher resolutions, which require an upgrade, but we will leave it at the standard 720p resolution. Right below that is the access setting. When you click it, you can change the privacy controls, but we will keep it set to anyone with the link so it's easy to share. Now, let's click the Publish button at the bottom. The button will change to show that it is publishing and saving your settings. Once it finishes processing, a new share link will be generated, and you'll see a Copy Link button appear right next to it. Let's go ahead and click Copy Link. A small confirmation message will pop up letting you know the link has been copied to your clipboard. To test it out, I am going to open a brand new browser tab, paste the link into the URL bar, and press Enter. The page will load up, showing our shared video page, and it will say preparing to render as it finalizes the online preview. And that's it. That's how you share a Descript video with a link.